Wipe up borax ant killer spills promptly and carefully to prevent exposure to children and pets. Borax is a low toxicity mineral, but can irritate skin and mucous membranes, so start by wearing gloves and keeping children and pets out of the area. Use absorbent paper or clean cloths to pick up the bulk of the spill rather than sweeping, which can spread dust. For non-porous surfaces, wipe with a damp cloth, then rinse that surface with plenty of water to dilute any remaining powder. If the bait contained sugar or honey and left a sticky residue, scrub the spot with a mild dish detergent mixed with warm water to break down sugars, then rinse again. For porous material such as carpeting, blot the area with a damp cloth, apply a mild detergent solution, gently agitate with a soft brush, then rinse by blotting with clean water and repeat until no residue transfers. Dispose of used cloths and paper towels in a sealed bag that you place in your regular trash and wash your hands thoroughly after cleanup. Common mistakes include trying to dry sweep the spill, which just spreads dust and raises the chance of inhalation, so always pick up solids with a damp cloth or scoop first. Another frequent problem is ignoring sticky bait residues that attract pets later, so follow up with a detergent scrub and thorough rinsing to remove sugars. People sometimes assume borax is harmless and skip protective measures, so put gloves on, keep kids and pets away until areas are rinsed and air-dried, and ventilate the room if the spill was large. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners connect with local contractors for cleanup and home safety jobs, and we also help contractors find work. We host a discussion community where people share experiences and tips about safe cleanup and other projects, and we encourage users to ask questions so our community can help.